客家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Daily Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。
就是我问我，你好旅行
哦，喜欢旅行，而且周末都要在国内旅行一下啦。干脆就教这个好了。这个星期六计划去哪里旅行 ？This Saturday, where do you plan to go travel?
26
26
計劃去哪邊旅行？
計劃去哪邊旅行？旅行 means to travel. 禮拜六星期六。
拜六。
Okay, that's Saturday. And plan 計劃。
計劃。
There you go. So this Saturday, where do you plan to go travel? 我們去屏東六堆旅行，還沒有去過
OK 啊。
Sounds good, right? Let's go to Pingdong's 六堆 and travel there.
你來去。屏東六堆旅行呵。
屏東六堆旅行呵。Very cool. Now you can ask around and maybe join in. All right, let's review some of these vocabulary like Saturday, 禮拜六。拜六. And then to plan, 計劃。計劃. And this month it's all about traveling. So how about 旅行？
旅行.
And there you have it. Another Daily Hakka on ICRT.
什麼大家？
單詞寫張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.